traders, let's take a look at what's on the move this morning. On the move, we got FSLR up over 10%, almost 250,000 traded pre-market. That's in play. SRRK up over 7%, over 500,000 traded pre-market. That's in play. BBBY down over 12%, over 700,000 traded pre-market. That's in play. We got quite a few here we can work with. So let's go trade. SQ, we're going to short this right here. I know it's broken 166, but we think it's going to continue to drop here. Market's dropping, so I don't see why this thing don't continue to drop here down to at least below 165. That'll be the target, below 165. Stop loss will be over 166, 60, 70 area. About a point each way. Big gap down this morning, so just following the market. Here we go. Alright, it's pushing up. Should have taken it down there at 165, but the market's telling me not to. The market's telling me to wait. It's going to crack 165 and drop probably down to 164.50. Let's get a little bit more off this trade. Alright, let's see it crack right now. 165, crack it. Alright, SQ, it's flexing a little bit here, but the market looks like it's starting to wake up, so we're going to come out of this. SQ, we're going to short this one more time right here if we can. Alright, we're back in SQ at 165.45. We took it for a loss earlier and we came out of it up here, but now it looks like it has no chance but to drop down below the lows. Market's dropping again, so I think it's just going to continue to drop here. So target's going to be, I like it below 164.50 area, right around here, and stop loss will be over around 166.50, about a point each way. Alright, we're coming up on our stop again, the second time. Come on, just got in it, now it's already popping here. We got a lot of dip buying going on in this area here. They're all putting their stops down here. SQ, still in this, it's still just fluctuating here in our stop area, but the market's dropping, so market's telling me hold off, but if it doesn't drop soon, we will come out of this thing. Alright, here we go. See what happens at the low day here. There we go. Nice, nice. See if we can get a little bit more. Alright, let's just take this here. Come on. It's not dropping the way I want it to. Come on. Alright, we're out of this. We're out. We took a little over 80 cents on this. Alright, we are short DKNG. This thing had a massive rally from the open all the way to the close, and now it's just dropping, so more likely than not this thing will drop back down to the lows. Target's going to be below 37.50, and stop loss will be over the highs, about 75 cents to a point each way. DKNG, we're actually going to come out of this right here. Don't like this anymore. We're out. I thought this thing was going to drop here because of the daily. Look at the daily. This thing's just being sold off consecutively, but it's getting bought up there, so took a 40-cent loser. ZM, we're going to short this right here at the ask. Alright, we are short ZM at 528.92. This thing is getting hit this morning, so this is just a pullback from the lows, so we think it's just going to turn around and go right back down. Stop loss is going to be right around here. Let's see what happens in this area. I think it's just going to flex a little bit here and then just drop, and it's going to drop down to below the lows here, but we're going to take it like around 527. Let's see if we can get 2 points off of this. 2-point target, 2-point stop loss. Should be done flexing here and just drop. Market's dropping, so we got tailwind. Alright, here we go. Just as I suspected, just a little bit of a flex there, and now it's going to go down to where we want it, around 527, which will give us about 2 points. If we can get a little bit more, that'll be good. Market's dropping, so alright, it just squeezed a little bit here over past our stop, but it's still okay. It was just a real fast pop and drop here, so but it's got to drop soon. If it doesn't, we will come out of it. Alright, we're coming down to our target. We're at our target area. Let's try to take this right here. Come on. Nice, nice. We got a little over 2 points on that trade, which is good because this thing went to our stop and we held on through it because of the market. Look at the SPY here. Look at the SPY. The SPY is dropping, so the SPY is telling me don't get out. Don't get out. BA, we're going to short this right here. The ask. Alright, we're in BA at 150.95. We think this thing will drop below the lows here, well below 155, down to below 150. That's going to be the target. Stop loss will be around 152, about a point each way. This thing's downtrending, market's dropping. This stock's in a critical area here where a lot of dip buying is going on here. They're all putting their stops at the lows. The longer it stays here, the more orders pile up at the low here. We'll get a nice downward cascade of some selling. Alright, BA, we went to our stop area here. Quick push right up to our stop. We've been getting it right to our stop area almost every trade. Yeah, just about every trade went up to our stop area. I held through it because of the market. Market keeps telling me to hold through these squeezes, and it's been working out. So we're going to see if this one works out too. But if it goes back over 152, we're just going to come out of it. Not going to give this one any more time. Yeah, every trade went right to our stop. That kind of stinks, especially right away, you know. But it has worked out so far. Looks like we're breaking down below the lows. Been in this for a while, so it's got to break down hard now. If it doesn't, I'm just going to come out of it because I've been in this for quite a bit now. All right, here we go. It's having a hard time here. You know what? We're gonna see if we can come out of this right here if we can. Come on, come on. One more little push down. Come on. All right, I'm gonna push this up here. This thing is having a hard time here. We're out. Only took about 50 cents, but that's all right. Once it broke the lows, it started to get bought up pretty quickly there, so I'm thinking this thing's gonna climb here. Anyways, traders, I think that's going to be it for us today. Don't really see anything else here that looks good. Market is at the low, so it's probably just going to bounce here. But we're just going to keep it green here. We're up 469. Let's take a look at the trades. 5 trades, 3 winners, 2 losers. Our biggest winner on ZM, Zoom, and our biggest loser on SQ. Thanks for watching.